Hello everyone, welcome to Mind Body Asset. So today we're going to learn about asanas in summer season, which every person need to learn or do it during this summer season, because nowadays heat and hot is too much increases, which not bearable. So I have already created one video, live video, 2-3 days back, where I have discussed about water intake, what lifestyle or tips they should do it, what asanas you can do it, and which breathing exercise you need to add in your day-to-day life, so that it will help you to keep your body relaxed, happy, calm, and composed. So, without wasting so much of time, we will do it. So first thing, I give you a tips, then I will teach you the asanas, and then third I will teach you about the pranayam you should do it. First, a daily tips. Before you wake up, you need to take and drink 2 glass of water with adding some nimbu. You can adding some lemon juice on the water. Little bit of lukewarm water. You can have it for 2 times, 2 glass of water, which will help you to cool on your system. It will also help you to flush out all the toxin from your body, boil system, and also make your body charged. So drink enough water. Second point also the related, you need to have at least 8 glass of water. At least have it for your entire day, because your body will get dehydrated if you drink coffee, tea, or any soda related substance. So your body will become dehydrated. So friends, you need to drink 8 glass of water. How you'll get to know your body is dehydrated? Whenever you urine, your urine become yellow. If your urine become yellow, that's mean your body is dehydrated. So there is some other reason, if people who take medicine, so in that case also your urine become yellow. But otherwise, in dehydration case, you might be get cramps, you might be your urine will get yellow, you might feel headache, you might feel little bit of uneasy or lethargic if you having less amount of water. Third, you need to focus. Do not travel between 11 to 4 p.m. because this is the time period heat is too much. In Mumbai, it's around 34 to 38 centimeter. It's Celsius. So and in the different state, it's much. And in this 1.5 month, I have traveled different state. In Goa, I have traveled in Madhya Pradesh. I have traveled in Gujarat, and I have traveled in Nepal, place name called Vapi. These are the place where there were too heat. So friends, you need to have enough of water and avoid going outing in between this time, so that it will relaxes your body and cool down your body. Okay, you need to keep your body cool, and for that you need to have some fruits which is contain juice or water. Like watermelon you can have it, pineapple you can have it, you can have berries, strawberries, oranges, some fruit which contain water or more of juice. Apple also you can have. So you need to have such, so your body will become cool. In vegetable also you can have bottle gourd, you can have some pumpkin, you can have some watery vegetable like broccoli, or some vegetable which contain water, so that your system become cool. See to it you're doing exercise in the early morning. If you're doing the yoga in the early morning, so that it doesn't produce too much of heat. So in the afternoon time, lot of people who do asanas or some kriyas, and because of that it create too much heat in their body, and they feel lethargic, they feel little bit of uneasy, and some people may get faint or giddiness due to lack of water or too much of heat they cannot bear. So avoid doing afternoon workout or even in the evening. But if you don't have space, see to it you have a cool temperature and also you have a decent place where you have a good ventilation. If you are a juice lover, you need to have juices which is like sugarcane juice. You can have lemon water, you can have watermelon juice, you can have chas or dahi, which will help you to keep your gut cool and also will make you fresh. So do this thing, avoid having too much of tea and coffee. One is enough for the day, but do not have more than two because it will also create acidity, gas, bloated stomach. So avoid this thing. Let me talk about the asana. There are 5 to 6 asana you can add in your day-to-day life along with your yoga practice. If you are doing any other yoga practice, make sure you can accommodate this 6 asana also to keep your body cool and calm and also improving the flexibility and posture. Even if you're doing cardio or weight training, you can also add this asana because gymming and cardio, there are both are different activity. If you're adding this yoga or asanas, it will help you to improve your flexibility, stability, mental calmness, and also you will go into spirituality. So you can do add this as well. Let me teach you about the asana. First asana, it's called Marjari asana. Breathe in, raise chin up, chest up, look up, curve your back. Breathe out, you need to round your back, bring your chin to your chest. Inhale, you can curve your back, lift the chest up, chin up, stretch it, open up the chest. And breathe out, you can round your back and contract your belly. Breathe in, breathe out. Second asana, which is called Shashank asana, rabbit pose. After that, you can push your hips behind, lower down your chest and face. This is called Shashank asana. You can rest it here for 2 to 5 minutes. Third asana, which is called Pawan Muktasana, which is wind releasing pose. On your back, fold your both the knees, interlock your finger, hold your knees. Breathe in and you can lift your face up, take your chin towards your chest. Be there for 5 to 10 counts. Then you can slowly come back and you can relax. Fourth asana, which is called Vipreet Karni, which you can do it on the wall support also. Lie down on your back. Take your legs towards the wall. Keep your heel, calf, hamstring against the wall. Belly and chest facing up, looking up, palm open up, and be there for a few counts. Just take a normal natural breath. Slowly come back and relax. Fifth asana, which you can practice, reclining butterfly pose. Fold your both the knees, join your feet and open up your knees and take your hands away from the body. Be here, observe your pelvic, inner thighs getting stretched. Slowly you can bring it and relax. And the sixth, our most favorite, called Shavasana. Take your legs apart, hands away from the body, eyes closed, and just relax and cool your each and every body part. Step by step, you can relax your toe, foot, thigh, stomach, chest, shoulder, face. Complete body you need to relax. Let's do pranayam. Pranayam will help you to cool down your system, relax your mind, and also help you to focus and improve your concentration. So, first breathing exercise which you do called Shitkari Pranayam. What you have to do here? You have to join your teeth. You have to suck the air inside your mouth. You have to breathe in by your mouth and have to breathe out by your nostrils. Okay? So, you need to join your teeth like this, sucking the air inside your mouth like. Close the nostril and have to release the air outside. So that was Shitkari Pranayam. Let's practice Shitli Pranayam. It's similar to Shitkari Pranayam, only you have to breathe in by your mouth and have to breathe out by your nostrils. So, but only thing you have to just roll your tongue like this. Rolling your tongue like this. And have to suck the air inside your mouth with your tongue and then have to release the air from your nostrils. So how it will be? So here. Next breathing exercise which you're going to do called Chandrabhedi Pranayam, where you have to inhale from the left nostril and you have to breathe out by right nostril. Breathe in from left and breathe out from right nostril. What happens in summer? Your right nostril become more dominant to your left nostril, but we have to balance both the nadis. Okay, to activate your both the nadis, we are doing Chandrabhedi Pranayam. For that, you have to just put your hands in a Pranav Mudra, holding your index finger, middle finger like this. Place your right thumb on your right nostrils. Another hands in Gyan Mudra. You have to breathe in from the left nostril. Breathe out through right nostril. Only one way. Breathe in from left. Breathe out through right. Breathe in from left. Breathe out through right. Breathe in. Breathe out. So this is the way you can practice Chandrabhedi Pranayam. And the last breathing exercise which you're going to do practice called Brahmri Pranayam, humming sound or honeybee sound. You need to create the sound which produce vibration, which create echo sound, or it will just make your body peaceful. Okay, so what I have to do, you need to place this 3 finger on your eyes, your index finger above the eyebrows, and your thumb will closing the tip of the ear. Close it like this, and then you have to create humming sound for 7 times. You have to breathe in. Once you complete 7 counts, you just need to rub your palm and you need to place it on your eyes, and then you can slowly open your eyes. So I just taught you only 2 counts, but you have to perform for 7 times. Shitkari Pranayam you can practice for 2 minutes, you can go up to 5 minutes or 10 minutes. Similar goes to Shitali Pranayam, you can go for 2 or 5 or 10 minutes as per your time. Chandrabhedi Pranayam you can practice for 5 minutes if you have a time. If you don't have time, practice for 2 minutes. And Brahmri Pranayam you need to practice at least 5 times, and then gradually you can increase it up to 7 or 11 or 21 time. So that was the complete routine in this summer season. Do practice. If you have any question, do type below the comments and ask me any question. I would love to give you an answer. And do practice and make sure you're keeping your body hydrated with having good amount of drinking water. Thank you so much for listening. We'll see you for the next video. Bye bye.